Now, how to be more productive. And I'm going to cover this topic a little more in the future, but for now, I really want you to get into this mindset of instead of creating one video at a time and just entering this never ending rat race or like running in circles, from video to video. Trust me, I've been there, I've done that. It's how naturally every single YouTuber goes into YouTube, just from video to video. And yeah, instead of, like I just said, instead of doing one video cycle at a time, plan ahead 10, 20, 30 videos. If I open my Notion right now, like obviously provided you guys template AI Guy public, but if we open AI Guy Office, like the real one, there's going to be at least like 30, 40 video ideas that have been accumulating over months. And anytime I see a cool idea, I just throw it on. Of course, that's how you go about a channel when it's already established. You just have like a collection data of what your competition is doing, video ideas, but even before you start, you should really gather successful videos in your niche, really like understand the ecosystem really of your niche. And then like obviously just do everything I've mentioned so far in the course. If you've done, you should already have like a very much clear picture of what niche is it you're going into. And yeah, really plan, at least like figure out, when I say plan, just like find 20 videos that you're going to recreate. Okay, for learning purposes, just copy paste someone's video. Obviously tweak it, like make it actually good, and I'll show you how later on in the live training. But just have this mindset of, again, knowing what you're doing from the very start, because that kind of creates a strategy. It kind of creates like this batching mentality, like just a very long term vision, and you just really start treating everything like a business. At least it starts to feel like it, instead of just like being creative and like fun. Because when you just sit down and you got to create 10 scripts at a time, 15 scripts at a time, it feels ridiculous, but it feels like you're doing something kind of like serious. So it just also builds discipline, the right mindset, everything is in the right place.